Good morning, children. In history, our next lesson is the first farmers and headers. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain how humans changed from hunters and gatherers to farmers and headers. Children, the Mesolithic age gave way to the Neolithic age about 10,000 to 12,000 years ago. A number of important changes took place during this age. Let us study some of the important achievements of this age. First one is farming. After leading a nomadic existence in search of food for millions of years, around 10,000 to 12,000 years ago, human beings began to grow their own food. It is possible that they discovered how to grow crops when they saw sprouting from seeds. Next one is domestication of animals and herding. While fossils have shown that some animals, especially dogs, had begun to be tamed even during the late Paleolithic age, other animals came to be domesticated from Neolithic age. Animals like the cow, ox, bull, donkey, goat, and sheep were tamed and used for plowing the field, carrying loads, and providing milk, food, and skin. Next one is shelter. Once people learned to grow food and domesticate animals, they began to settle down in larger groups in permanent dwellings. They mostly did so close to river banks and other sources of water. They built houses out of mud bricks, stones, reeds, and branches of trees. The walls were often coated with plaster. Pit houses were a regular feature of the Neolithic age. Children, you know what is the meaning of pit houses? Pit houses means houses dug into the ground with steps leading down. Next one is wheel. Invention of wheel with axle. The wheel is believed to have been invented at the beginning of the Neolithic period. Wheels were added on either side of the logs, making it is possible to move objects faster and over longer distances. This marked the birth of the wheel with the axle. The axle is the rod placed at the center of a wheel that helps it rotate freely. The invention of the wheeled cart revolutionized the way people traveled. People also began to use the wheel to spin cotton and make yarn for cloth. Next one, tools and technology. In the Neolithic age, people began to make tools that helped them in farming and herding. They redesigned the axe by polishing and grinding its edge to a fine sharpness. It was used to clear forests for cultivation. Clothes made out of cotton and wool began to replace the rough animal skins people wore in the Paleolithic and Mesolithic ages. Next one is the religion. The Neolithic people worshipped forces of nature. Many Neolithic groups also worshipped mother goddesses, as can be seen from the large number of figurines of mother goddesses found at Neolithic sites. Next one is mud houses in Mehergarh. Mehergarh is located to the west of the river Indus in Balochistan, Pakistan. Their excavations indicate that Mehergarh is one of the oldest, most advanced and best planned civilizations of the prehistoric period. The people lived in mud houses that were possibly 2 or even 3 stories high. Figurines made of terracotta, ceramic, clay and stone have also been found. The main crops cultivated were barley, wheat and dates. They also had sheep, goats and cattle. Next one is Burjahom. Burjahom in Kashmir, India is a Neolithic site that dates back to about 3000 BCE. One of the remarkable features of the Burjahom settlements is the abundance of pit houses. Children, you know what is the meaning of pit houses. Children, you know the meaning of the pit houses? Pit houses dug into the ground with steps leading down. Next important Neolithic site in northeast India is Assam and Meghalaya. The sites are concentrated on high grounds or in the hills, possibly as safety measures against flooding by the river Brahmaputra. Some important sites include Dazoli Heding, Sarutaru, Chirand and Selbagiri. In Dazoli Heding, archaeologists have found some stone tools and utensils. A striking feature of this site was the presence of cord impressed pottery. In this special technique, cords or ropes were impressed upon wet clay to strengthen the vessel or as decoration. The people cultivated wild rice on the hill slopes after burning the trees to clear the ground. Okay, thank you children. I will continue the lesson in next session.